Welcome to my channel. Twist Weather Up Gel Weightless Curl Defining Gel is offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. If you're curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Meet Weather Up Gel. Our No Crunch Styler. Curls are more affected by humidity due to their unique structure, making them susceptible to frizz. Finally, a high-performance gel that's formulated specifically to fight off every curl's worst nightmare. Create defined curls and block out humidity-inducing frizz and flyaways, all without leaving curls feeling sticky or crunchy. Essential moisture. Weather Up Gel seals weightless moisture into every strand to block out humidity, fight frizz, and boost definition. Create beautifully defined curls by applying to damp hair, starting at your ends and working up to your roots. Air dry or use a diffuser for more volume. Once set, break and shake to create a more lived-in look. Use alone or as a final step in your layering routine. Check out the description to find the product link. Thank you for watching this video.